A home inspection can cost you time, money, or even your home sale. The buyer will pay to get it done, but the report can unravel your contract, and that's the real cost. Here's how much a home inspection costs to sellers. The home inspection doesn't cost anything to the seller up front. The buyer pays for the inspection after you've accepted their offer and the house is in escrow. You can get a pre-inspection on your house, and for that, you'll have to foot the bill. On average, the cost is $315, according to HomeAdvisor. But a pre-inspection can hurt your sale more than help it. You're legally required to disclose the inspection report to buyers, so talk to your real estate agent to see if it's a smart choice first. A home inspector looks for issues that might be threats to the home's function and safety. Mechanical and structural issues are expensive to fix and can send buyers running or into tough negotiation mode. Here are some of the big ticket and costly things a home inspection can turn up. Water damage, plumbing issues, structural and foundation damage, roof damage, electrical issues, insect or pest infestation, and HVAC issues. You can prevent these issues with regular maintenance and professional repair work. Whenever your house needs repairs, bring in a professional. Don't try to fix it yourself or the costs will add up. And always keep the receipts. After a home inspection, buyers can request repairs or ask for a repair credit. You can accept, deny, or negotiate their requests, and the only requests you should accept are the ones that relate to function or safety. Buyers shouldn't ask you to make repairs under $100 or do anything cosmetic, fix loose doorknobs or railings, replace broken light switches or burnt out light bulbs, or redo any landscaping projects. Remember that every part of the real estate transaction is negotiable. The home inspection opens the door for more negotiations, but how much it costs you as the seller depends on what the inspector finds. You can keep the price down by having a top agent in your corner who knows how to negotiate and keep the deal moving forward. And that is priceless. Find one at HomeLight.com.